there everyone, thank you so much for joining me here in Mini Explorers because we're making shadow art and I would love for you to try it as well. For this activity you'll need some colorful construction paper, black and white paper, a glue stick, an eraser, pencil, and a pair of scissors. But before we get started, let's talk a little bit about what shadows are and how you can make them. But you know what? It's a little bit too bright in this room. Can you help me look for a place in Mini Explorers that we can make the best shadows in? We're looking for a dark spot. Keep on looking. You know what? I think that the bear cave would be the perfect spot. Let's go give it a try. Follow me. All right. Shadows are made when a light source is blocked by something else. So, for example, let's use my flashlight here as our light source. Now all we have to do is block it with something. Like this. Because I blocked the light coming from my flashlight, I've created a shadow on the wall of my hand. You can also make fun shadow effects with your artwork as well. I'll show you an example of what we're making today. In this picture, I've used different colors of construction paper and I've cut them up into different sizes of shapes to make a fun underwater scene. But I've hidden something in this. Can you look closely and see if you can see what I've hidden in this picture? Can't see anything? Let me help you out. Let's shine a light behind it. Can you see it now? I've hidden a shark that can only be seen when light is shown behind it. Just like that. Now, do you want to give it a try? Let's get started. For the first step, with a pencil, draw your shadow on a piece of black construction paper. Next, it's time to cut out your shadow. When your shadow is cut out, glue it onto a piece of white construction paper. Then flip it over because it's time to start creating the environment or scene that your shadow lives in. Be careful not to cover up too much of your shadow though. You can always hold your paper up to the light every so often to check. When you're done, it's time to amaze your friends and family with your artwork. They will be so surprised when your shadow is revealed. Thank you so much for exploring shadow art here in our Mini Explorers exhibit. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Have fun amazing your friends and family with this really cool project. And as always, we hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye!